Alright, YouTube. Gonna do a short little ride to the store. Oh, well, my bike's gonna let me. Do a short little ride to the store. We want to upload some content today. I'm gonna test out this wind a little bit. Baby, for a 750, this motherfucker flies. Damn, it's a little chilly. So yeah, man. Got some good content up. Definitely going to be going out searching for some more exciting content. I have been getting some more subscribers. Thank you guys for that. There's a lot of people that I've been talking to that I didn't think I'd get a chance to talk to, and that's nice, man. It really is. And hopefully I'll just continue to grow in my channel, and y'all support me and help me to get to where I'm trying to go. I would love to just travel all over the world or all over the United States and ride motorcycles and basically do like Maxy's doing, man. I've already got my own RV. I got a shitload of bikes. All I need is an enclosed trailer, which I could figure that out too. So I'm ready for some bigger and better things, man. I really am. I can't believe the discussion between Dan the fireman and Maxy when Maxy's on the way to Pittsburgh. It's crazy. I guess Dan used his content without any permission, and then he sent him 20 bucks on a super chat, and he's pretty distraught about it. Like, Maxy's pissed off, and you know, I understand. Like, yeah, you want to use somebody else's content instead of throwing together compilations. You know, I can understand that. Wide open spaces. Rolling on this mug, bro. I like this VN. I don't know. A lot of people talk shit about this bike, but if you rode it, you'd understand. Jumping shit, yeah. Jumping street bike. Oh, you gotta be soft coming in here with all this gravel. Alright. This is a short little ride, man. I only had 26 minutes left on this memory card, so I just figured I'd use it up and throw a video on tonight.
Hey there.
How you doing? I'm alright. I'm alright. Let's get this. And then set these right here. Alright, yeah, I gotta make sure this mic is holding. Alright, what else do y'all want? I'm gonna take 2 bottles. I don't like bottles. I'm gonna go get these kids something. Let's see. My kid said he wanted a zebra cake. You can go ahead. I'm still looking. All right, Evie. I'm not seeing any zebra cakes, baby. Damn, man. Guess I'll get this for him.
Monday through Friday, 5 p.m.
Alright, something else I can get them kids. How about this? This will work. I'm alright. Let me get 2 packs of Newport Short from you. And then I'm going to do like 3 wraps.
Okay.
And,
3 wraps, you say?
yeah.
Okay.
And that should do it. Actually, you know what? Let me get a bag of that Kratom too.
The gold bag?
Yeah, the 75 count, 65
Okay.
count.
We got main dye and...
It don't really matter which one.
Don't matter.
Just more capsules, yeah.
Okay. Right. These 2
Damn, how much were those?
They're $1.99. All of these. Yep. You want to keep them?
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Okay. All right, everything came to $49.18 out of 50. So,
Yeah, it went there, 50 bucks. Whatever, I sold a scrap lawnmower earlier for $50, so.
say that again.
I sold a scrap lawnmower for $50 earlier, so.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah.
Hustle, hustle, hustle.
Yeah.
You driving? You on your bike?
Yeah, I'm on a bike.
Okay. So I'm gonna have to.
Yeah, alright,
It's a little different.
we'll just throw it in here.
And then I got all that. Okay, you got tools, like power tools and stuff.
I do? What you mean?
Drill, power drill. I need. Oh my God. I'm trying to see my list in my head. Cause we're about to start fixing up my house, so.
Oh, okay.
And we're kind of what do you call it, DIY?
Yeah, I mean, your best bet, like,
Yeah, we trying to do it ourselves.
what I did is I went in, I bought the Rigid or the Makita set from Home Depot. That's really your best way out.
Really?
You get everything for like 150 bucks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, see, I gotta buy a whole lot of plywood. We gotta fix floors. We gotta fix the walls.
Yeah, you're gonna want the ones that ain't gonna burn out on you. You don't want to just buy some hand-me-down drill.
So, Ryobi, is that a decent brand?
I wouldn't go with Ryobi personally, but
Okay.
I've used Ryobi forever, but I upgraded.
I'm gonna finish mine. Okay. Okay.
Shit, just message me on Facebook and I'll send you some links to some good shit.